So now let's proceed to the lesson 5, which is a useful expressions. Here in this lesson, you will learn how to count the numbers in Cebuano version, numbers 1 to 20. So let's start with isa, 1, duha, 2, tulo, 3, upat, 4, lima, 5, unom, 6, pito, 7, walo, 8, siyam, 9, pulo, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, and 20, 20. Do you know that Camiguin is the second smallest island in the Philippines? In both area and population, it's just 23 kilometers at its longest and just a bit more than 14 kilometers at its widest. Within this small area live 7 volcanoes. Lovely little Camiguin is the island of the Born of Fire.